If you want to experience heaven, Maldives is the right place for you. Heaven feelings, the Maldives. Hello, welcome to Maldives. We are in Badu Island.
Maldives Island is one of the famous islands for their luxurious resorts. The official language of Maldives is Dewe. It's an Islamic island. The currency of the Maldives is called rupiah, but also they accept the dollars. It's one of the popular holiday destination place in the world. More than 1200 islands are there in Maldives. Here 180 islands the locals are living and 120 lot of resorts are there and the balance all are inhabited. In the world few islands only have water villas. Maldives is one of the place famous for the water villas. If you come to this country you likely to stay on private island like where we are in Vadu Island. The rooms have spacious accommodation with a panoramic view of the ocean. Comes with the large ensuite bath. The lounge area of the bathrooms comes with a glass panels to watch a colorful fauna that suits beneath you. Facilities available in the villas are mini bar, telephone, coffee machine, television, private dining, safety deposit box, AC, jacuzzi located in the bathroom, free Wi-Fi and air dryers. Breathtaking view on the surrounding of the resort with full of crystal clear water and white sand makes you speechless. Lots of viewpoints which make us to feel relaxed and feel fresh with the beautiful sceneries and connect with the nature. More than a luxurious dining experience, here we get a great gracious serving experience. People are here are really very gentle and responsible on their serving.
And cocktail sauce and with the warm gum and potato, which is small potato done and fresh green and vinaigrette. Please enjoy.
Each and every time they greet us with a smile face like this and make us to feel comfortable and safe.
Thank you.
Here we get great dining experience with the luxurious theme. They have the fancy buffet for the breakfast. Here all type of foods are available. Mostly they prefer continental foods. Especially seafoods have to be tasted and it's a lot of collections here. In some occasion as per our wish foods are prepared. They provide unlimited liquors here. We can get the liquor in sea, sun deck, terrace bar, even in dining area also. Here you get the lot of regenerating treatments offered by the spa. The experienced Baranasi therapists here are very practice of traditional therapeutic methods. It's naturally purify both the body and mind. The experience you get here are incomparable and feel tranquility. And they having the real boutique feature which offer the range of retail products and spa gifts. You simply cannot find a country safer than this one, largely because it is isolated in the Indian Ocean. Mostly when we are travel, we are anxious about keeping bags locked and safe, but not here. It's so safe that you can leave your wallet, laptop and phone, anything without worrying. There is no crime like smuggling or stealing or robbing, and we cannot find any police officer also here.
Hope you got the best information of the greatest things in the Maldives, and you too will come and enjoy soon. And also if you like the video, please share and subscribe, and soon we will meet you in the next coolest place. Until then, bye from Balaji Kasper.